Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, Chapter 3. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Tang Wang Ting. The boss' daily work routine. Tang Bang Ting, working status. Tang Bang Ting, working studio. Seems that she was busy. Tell your operation colleagues and use the studio account. Send a close-up picture of the dress you are collaborating with. This time, the copy should be accompanied by the design concept, elements used. Remember, it's business agreement. Will her fans scold her? Doing this, they say, we are taking advantage of the popularity. Well, for now, after all, our reputation is not as good as that of Shang-Yi, and the fan circle seems to value this very much. Well, it was neck shrinking. Tang Wang Ting right now. Popularity been delivered to your door. So what does it matter if you just wrap it in? Remember to turn on the fan sharing plan. You can get scolded in vain. Tang Wang Ting, it seems that he was good on strategy. Hey, the money from the scolding can be used to order milk tea. Then I'll be busy. Her assistant said goodbye to her. Tang Wangting is only left on the room. Now she looks serious, and she was looking on her phone. Well, what could it be? What is she thinking right now? All about Shang-Yi. For now, Babao, I am Tang Bangting. Well, she was calling someone, probably for what? Turns out it was a friend. Her friend right now. She was only staying at her home. Friend seems to be busy on something. Tang Wangting wants to call her. She wants something for her friend. That's why Tang Wangting calls her. Thank you very much, Miss Shang, for your recognition of us. Hope we continue to cooperate. If you have the opportunity, ask my colleague in the studio to send you, Miss Shang, a gift, and I hope you will like it. This Tang Wangting is pretty good. All of the gifts are ready. Well, it turns out she was calling the secretary, Shang-Chi, right now. Said she will send her a gift. Is this what you call person is a fail as a chrysanthemum? Right now, it turns out she came from the bathroom. She is wiping her face. Shang-Yi, right now, she looks really serious. Thank you as a courtesy. After all, with your status and wearing her dress, you can take advantage of it. And didn't you give her a like? Reciprocate a favor. Right now, Shang-Yi said, like, maybe, hand slip. Well, she was right. She accidentally liked dress. Now one thing is doing. Cancel by swiping. Gifts have been sent. So what if I cancel them now? Shang-Yi, right now, is being inconsiderate. She don't want to receive a gift from Tang Wangting. When I ask you, why are you so patient today? You actually took the initiative for Tang Bangting to change his clothes. You don't know how good at the others. Shang-Yi said that she was just curious. Her friend said curious about what? Now, this is getting crazy. Funny, she become aware of Tang Wangting's. I'm curious to what extent these persons can be different from what he appears to be. Well, she was right. Turns out Tang Wangting's personality, it was like a mystery to all of them. How come you are so biased against a clothes maker and they don't care about you? Well, right now, her friend is calling her. You remember QM Group, our clothing sponsor for the past 2 years. They will have an autumn and winter fashion show. At the end of the month, they send you an invitation letter, but it's up to you whether you go per event or you want to rest. Right now, Shang-Yi's ambition is almost overflowing. If you don't make money, who will make it? Okay, my eldest lady will make arrangement tomorrow. Turns out it was settled. Shang-Yi will come to the party. End of the month, QM Group Autumn and Winter Fashion Show. Don't know what's going on today, but the elevated highway severely blocked. Yes, luckily it started early. Well, it turns out, what this? Is this Miss Fei Yu? Sing Mei Lao Lao. Well, it seems to. It was really Miss Fei, right? Yes, I very much agree. Your design concept. Well, right now, Shang-Yi, She called her and said, Mr. Fei. Well, I am right. He's really Miss Fei. Sing Mei Liao Liao. Turns out, it was a crossover character of the two manhwas. Long time no see. Zhang Yi said to Mr. Fei. For Fei you right now. Zhang Yi, she was calling her. Been a long time indeed. Menge is too oppressive. You are on the set all year round. There's no other way. You have to beg for food. Now Zhang Yi seems to be close with Pei Yu. Right now, looking at it, turns out Tang Wang Ting was there also. She was looking at her. She noticed it. He is here too. Now, she really discovered Tang Wang Ting is there. For I have time to congratulate you. I heard that you and your girlfriend have achieved enlightenment. Right now, Miss Pei seems to be happy and said thanks to her. Well, right now, Miss Pei said, by the way, let me introduce you. This is Tang Wang Ting, a very capable, independent designer. Well, it turns out the two of them. Well, for Zhang Yi right now. Oh, look at my memory. Well, Tang Wang Ting, she was still looking. Zhang Yi, in this moment, was looking at Tang Wang Ting. At the Starlight Ceremony, some time ago, wasn't it the dress you wore, she designed, was also trending on the beauty searches at that time. Well, right now, you get this by Mr. Fei Yu. Tang Wang Ting said, Miss Zhang, what a coincidence. Zhang Yi said, yes, what a coincidence. Well, seems they know really each other. Production for them. Backstage, a model accidentally injured her foot. Miss Pei Yu said, it is serious. Well, she was really dedicated person. Heels were too high and the model ankles. Afraid that if I force myself to go, performance accident. It's not the first time Fei Yu to prepare for this. The model fell down. She accidentally knocked her dress. Couldn't get over for a while. Now Zhang Yi, it seems that she was really amazed at the talent of Mr. Fei Yu. What should we do? Well, for now, Fei Yu. She was thinking hard. Right now, she is thinking she can use Wang Ting as a substitute to the injured model because she was really pretty. Also, she looks gorgeous, lacking on height. But right now, it seems that Wang Ting has no idea she will be the one who will get choose Mr. Pei right now. Well, let's hope she can do better this fashion show. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!